Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add glowing effects on your text by using InShot app. Let's start. At first you have to open your InShot app here. Now tap on your video and then select the video that you want to add. Now tap on the check mark and then tap on text here. Here add text on your video, and then after adding the text you guys can add styles on it. I'm going to add this text style and then tap on glow. Then you guys can find out the glow effect, and here choose a color as your glowing effect, and here you guys can also customize this effect. Now I'm going to add shadows on it because it will look more good with shadows, and here I'm going to customize it a little. And I'm going to add borders on it, and I'm going to put it like this, and here I'm going to also customize the opacity. I'm going to making it bigger. Now it looks good on it. So this is how you guys can add glowing text effect in your video by using InShot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.